Hey there, everybody. I have new items to go in the shop, y'all. These are um, these are naked journals. They are DIY, do whatever you want to. They are build yourself a journal. These are stripped down versions, junk journal kits, flow journal kits, art supply journal kits. These are going in the shop at $25. Let me show you what I've done here. Um, and let me give you kind of the reason behind it. A lot of times, I just right now is a difficult time for me to spend 4 hours on a journal. Now that's basically when you buy a book from me, you're getting about 4 hours of of work, of arranging things and clipping things in and doing the hairy paper clips and things like that. When I Oh, do you guys remember Build-A-Bear? If you remember Build-A-Bear, it was a workshop that you could go to in the mall and you could actually like build a bear. You could choose his clothing, you could choose his stuffing, you could choose what he looked like, his accessories, things like that. Build-A-Bear happened like in the 80s and I already had kids and I had boys. They were not really interested in that whole Build-A-Bear thing. But we can take that template and we can kind of superimpose it over these art journal kits, because basically that is what it is. It is a kit. I get you started. It's up to you to finish it. So we start off with and this is, just as we're going through here, this is labor intensive. Putting the books together, adhering the fabric onto the cardboard, the food packaging. There it comes. I knew I'd get it somewhere. Adhering the fabric onto the food packaging template is a tricky thing. Being able to get the binding, the closure, everything kind of even, so where it looks nice. This is labor intensive here. It's also really labor intensive to put together the signatures that go in these books. So what I've done is for $25 you get this. You get your basic book, handmade book with the binding and the closure already done for you. I'm also including 4 flow journal signatures or 4 art journal signatures. It's like you can do this as a junk journal, you can do it as an art journal. To me, those descriptors are kind of it's perception. It's whatever you perceive as junk or you perceive as art journal fodder, then that's what can comprise your book. So you get 4 signatures that I've already put a few things in. You've got your 8 pockets to play with right here. Different things go in different signatures. But the signatures do match the cover of the book. So still working on the, making everything kind of curated. You also get 4 hairy paper clips to start your journey. The only thing that I ask y'all is that you don't put these together and sell them. I'd love for you to put them together and use them for personal use. Put them together and give them as a gift. You can bead your own spine here. But it would hurt my feelings if if someone used this to create income, because I use this to create income. So, but a lot of us make journals, right? I'm just asking that you please not use this kit to make something to sell. I think that is correct. I think that's what I wanted to say. I've got a couple of these to go in the shop. I've got this one. And I have this one as well. You know, both kind of summery, spring-ish floral patterns. Bead your own spine. You got your closure. Your binding is already done. And then you've got these signatures to go in. The signatures, I think I did like 10 of the folded pieces and then put elements in the pockets as well. So, you know, it will get you started. Let's suppose you have a big stash of paper and you're thinking, I do not know what to do with this big stash of paper. Well, then make it into an art supply journal. If you've got a lot of coffee dyed paper, tea dyed paper, then make it into a journal. If you've got a lot of fabric or you've got a lot of findings, or if you have a lot of fiber, or if you have a lot of lace, then you know this is a great way to use it up. Make yourself some hairy paper clips. It's just it's a kit, okay? So it is for the builder. That is probably in all of us. I love the concept of building things, which is why I gravitate to building books and building journals. I think it's fun. I think it's creative. I think it's something that gives you a really sweet project to do every single day. So I hope you guys enjoy these books. They are $25. They are $8.40 to mail to you. And if you guys like it, which I can usually kind of gauge that by how quickly they fly out of the shop, then we will do more of this. And if they don't fly out, then we are just on to different things. We are just in the reinventive spirit. I hope all of you are having a great Sunday. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye.